Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Sennheiser HD 660S high resolution audiophile open back headphone. So, this is really cool. Reference class open back, dynamic headphone employing a new and improved transducers, delivering low harmonic distortion. Transducers are hand-selected for presses 1 decibel left and right matching tolerance, ensure exceptional accuracy and presentation of the stereo spatial characteristics. 150 ohm nominal impedance allows direct connection to home and mobile HiRes audio device. Contact pressure is 6.0 N up to 1 N. The aramid reinforced detachable cable employ a high conductive OFC copper to ensure the signal integrity with very low handling noise. Supplied with 2 connection cables, one with a 6.35mm stereo plug, the other with a 4.4mm Pentaconn balanced stereo plug. Also included is a 6.35mm to 3.5mm adapter. The connectivity technology is a wired 6.35mm / 4.4mm Pentaconn. Frequency response is 10 to 41,000 Hz in 10 decibel. Impedance is 150 ohm. Kindly refer to an awesome, really good audio experience with Sennheiser. Because at Sennheiser, they aim to shape the future of audio by creating unique sound experience for us customers. As a third-generation family-run business, they are equally proud of over 75 years history and past accomplishments and innovations in the world of audio, as of the ambition to shape its future. The HD660S is the perfect blend of power and control. The powerhouse open back headphone connects us to the deepest corner of our music's collection. A direct connection to our music is possible, known for their engaging signatures and liquid smooth response. The HD660S predecessors HD650 and HD600 shattered performance barriers in the Audiophile headphone categories. The HD660S transcends the best of that stored DNA with supernatural speed and effortless instrument reproduction, even at the bookends of the frequency spectrum, utilizing an all-new transducer and especially ventilated driving unit. The HD660S delivers the revealing track, sharp detail, and the audible's demand without sacrificing the engaging dynamic that make music so enjoyable. From our ears to the other ears. In just one listen, we will understand why the HD660S is so special. Thousands of listening sessions later, its purpose is even clearer. What we hear each and every time is the result of an open back ear cup mated to the new transducer tune for the modern Audiophile. Its speedy response is perfectly suited for pre-reproduction, those frequency stretching recording with the confidence. Thanks to an aluminum voice coil, the 38mm diaphragm remains nimble for ultra-quick impulse fidelity across the board. This activation and arrest behavior unlocks the capability to communicate tonal and spatial characteristics precisely. And mashing together the steel mesh found on the HD66OS drives until unit is interesting in design, but most impressive when it comes to performance. It completely ventilated driver, offering consistent control of the air displacement to reduce the turbulences. As a result, diaphragm travel is pure and letting the music and only the music shine in a perfect balance of integrity and expression. The steel composition allows for much tighter production tolerance, ultimately contributing to remarkably consistent characteristics of each HD66OS product. When combined with the open back ear cups, the sound emanating from each transducer is completely free to expand just as it would in nature. And capability meet versatility. Today's Audiophile has more component choices than ever. They optimized the HD60OS for efficiency on a wider range of devices to accommodate the varying levels of power present in output amplification circuitry. At 150 ohms, the HD60OS is perfect partner for dedicated amplifiers, AV receivers, and digital audio players, DAPs. The magnet is more powerful than its predecessors, and thus easier to drive regulations of how our setup changed over time. They also packed to our HD60OS with a versatile set of essential cables. Each one impedance matches with ultra-low capacitations. That's the Sennheiser HD60OS, and you can use it on nearly every device to make a good sound of it. For example, it's possible to dock this on your smartphone too. The Sennheiser HD60OS, these are HiRes Audiophile open back headphones by Sennheiser. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.